new vlog. It is Monday morning, bright and early, so I thought we could do a little work week vlog this week. I logged on to work at 9. It's now 9:30, so I've just been catching up on emails this morning. I have a pretty busy work week this week. Just like looking at my calendar, I have a lot of calls. I have to go into the office one day this week, probably Thursday, to send out influencer mailers, and the rest of the week will just be working from home as normal. I also just made breakfast, a little yogurt fruit bowl, and I already finished my coffee. Might have to make a second cup this morning. But yeah, this is gonna be the first work week vlog of 2023. Usually, well, at least last year, Q1 was like on the quieter, slow side for me, just like looking at the year in a whole. Q4 is the busiest time by far for influencer campaigns, so I was like very busy at work in like October, November, December. But once we hit January, it usually quiets down a little bit. At least that's how it was last year, so we'll see if it's the same this year. So far, January has been pretty busy, honestly. But yeah, so today I have a call at 10 a.m. That's a client call, and then I have a few other calls later in the afternoon that are all internal calls. I will catch up with you guys throughout the day. Taking a little lunch break. I just made this salmon and rice bowl. Just have white rice at the bottom, and then I air fried some little salmon pieces and put a sriracha mayo on top, and then I'm just having green beans with it because that was the only vegetable I had. Hi guys, good morning. It is Tuesday. I am about to do my hair before I log on to work this morning because I washed it last night, so it's not styled. And also after work today I have a date, so that's very exciting. I'm staying true to my New Year's resolution of dating more and going on one date a month. I'm gonna do my hair this morning so that it's already ready to go and I don't have to do it tonight. Hi guys, it's after work now. Obviously, I have been really bad at vlogging during the actual work days, but I'm heading out on my date now. This is my little outfit. I'm not going to share any details about this date now other than that it's a first date and I'm going in with zero expectations. If it's good, I will let you guys know. If it's bad, we never talk about it again and we move on. Worst case scenario, it's just good practice for the next date. I'm wearing a very simple outfit. I feel like a black top and jeans, leather jacket, booties is just the perfect first date outfit. So I'm wearing this bodysuit from Revolve, jeans are Abercrombie, boots are Revolve. I also recently got this coat. Let me put it on so you guys can see. Here it is. This coat is from Revolve. I'm obsessed with it. I love the Sherpa detail. It's actually so warm, which I feel like I needed a coat like this because my only like really warm coats are my Super Puffs, which I obviously love, wear them every day, but this one's a little more like nice and dressier, so I feel like it's perfect for like dates, going out, occasions like that. And then I'm just gonna bring my little Princess Polly bag. I probably won't vlog there because that is weird, but I will report back after the date. Happy Wednesday. It is nearing the end of the day. I'm like wrapping up work right now. It's 6:02. I've had a very busy day slash week so far with work. I am just working on a few upcoming projects. One of them being this shoot that's happening next week that I'm gonna be staffing. It's gonna be really cool. A lot of it's like confidential obviously, so I can't share too much about it, but I'm just gonna be on set for this filming segment, and basically our team like is working with an influencer who's gonna be our brand's like spokesperson, so that's gonna be fun. So I've just been doing a lot of prep for that, and then we also have 2 other campaigns that I'm working on building creative briefs for. So like before every influencer campaign, we always put together these decks that are just briefs with everything that influencers need to know before shooting content. So like information about the brand, key messaging and talking points, content mandatories, stuff like that. So that's like a big part of the early campaign process. So since it's January, we're like kicking off a lot of new campaigns, so I'm working on a couple different briefs right now. So yeah, that's what I've been working on today. Tomorrow I have to go into the office, so that'll be fun. I have Pilates in an hour at 7. I'm excited to go to Pilates. It hasn't worked with my schedule much this week, so I haven't been in a few days, but I'm going tonight and tomorrow night. Oh, also I didn't even recap my date with you guys, but it actually went really well. It was a solid first date. The spot we went to was really cute. They had like a million different martini flavors. Again, I don't like set expectations with dating anymore. You just have to like go with the flow and not care. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up work and then get ready to go to Pilates. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday and I'm heading into the office. I'm wearing a very simple outfit, just black sweater, jeans, Converse. It's raining out, so just wearing a coat with a hood, and I have my umbrella. I hate when it rains because I have a pretty long walk from the train to my office. Hi guys, it is now Saturday. I filmed some vlog clips yesterday but didn't really like talk or explain what I was doing. So yesterday was Friday and I wasn't on call for work, so I got to enjoy my Friday off. I have a 4-day weekend this weekend because I had off Friday and then I'm off Monday for MLK Day. And I figured I'd just continue the vlog into tomorrow probably so that I can spend Monday editing. But anyway, yesterday I had a day full of appointments. This is so random, but in the morning I went to an appointment to get TSA pre-check. I should have gotten this a long time ago. I don't know why I didn't. I was just like procrastinating it, but it's so easy to sign up for. I have a few trips coming up over the next few months, so I thought like this is the time to get it. All you do is like sign up online and then you have to make an in-person appointment to have like your documents looked over, like your passport. So I had that appointment yesterday morning and now I'm just waiting for like the final confirmation. They said like 3 to 5 days and then I will have TSA pre-check. So I have a trip coming up the first weekend in February, so I can't wait to use my pre-check benefits. And then I had a nail appointment, so I just got an SNS manicure. I went from one like light pink neutral color to another, but I just like how they look. And this is the longest my real nails have ever been. They're like super long and healthy right now. I've just been consistently getting S&S manicures every 3 weeks and it's really helped my nails grow. So I did that, and then I had a hair appointment. I was in desperate need of getting my highlights retouched and a trim. So I had my color touched up. I just get full highlights. I don't really ask for anything specific other than just like blonde. She brightens it up. My roots were like grown out to here, so she just brought that color up, and then we tone it at the end so it's not too brassy. And then I got probably like 1.5 inches cut off the ends. They were really needing just a healthy trim, so I got that. For my cut, I just ask for long layers, so there's like a little bit of dimension at the bottom, but nothing too crazy. And then I get these face framing pieces shorter. I don't really ask for anything too fancy with my hair. So that was yesterday. Now it's Saturday. I went to a Pilates class this morning. It was really hard. I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow, but it was good. And now I'm getting ready because I'm so excited. My friend Bruna is having her birthday party today, and we're doing it at this place in Hoboken that offers cooking classes. The place is called Hudson Table. I don't know all the details. I'm just kind of like showing up, but I believe they offer cooking classes in like all different kinds of cuisines. And I think we're doing Italian, so I'm assuming we'll do like pasta, hopefully like a dessert or something. I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure they offer classes in like other styles of food as well. And it's BYO, so I'm just gonna bring a bottle of wine. And I think it's gonna be really fun. It's something like wholesome for a birthday and just like something different. So I'm really excited. That's at 12:30, so it's like 11:30 right now. So I need to finish getting ready, but I will definitely vlog at the cooking class. Very excited to see what it's like. This is what we're making. Yeah. We're making a crostini chicken. Fresh egg pasta.
I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. See that with the water here. Okay, that we're done.
She heard me, she knows. She heard. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bruna. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Hi guys, it is Sunday night. I am about to do some skincare before bed. Just putting on my tretinoin. I had kind of a Sunday reset day. I cleaned up my apartment. I also did like so many loads of laundry. I haven't done laundry in a little too long and it was like really piling up, so I just caught up on laundry, got my life together. Also, to recap yesterday's cooking class, it was literally so much fun. I cannot recommend that activity enough. It was the perfect like birthday party activity, but also I feel like taking a cooking class with your friends in general is just like a fun, different activity to do. We were a big group, so we like rented out the space, but Hudson Table also does public classes. So if you have just like a smaller group of friends or like a couple, you can go and take classes and be like mixed with other people. That's also like a fun way to meet people too. But yeah, I literally had so much fun, so can't recommend that enough. I have a very busy work week ahead of me. I still have off tomorrow for MLK Day. I'm gonna use that day to edit this vlog. I have a couple errands to run too, and then the rest of the week is gonna be so busy with work. My skin and lips are so dry right now. I feel like the weather just dropped like 20 degrees the past few days, and it's been really cold and windy, and my skin is just not having it. Anyway, I'm heading to bed, so I'm gonna end off this vlog. I feel like it was a little all over the place, but still we got a solid week in my life, so hopefully it's like a full, complete vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure to follow me over on Instagram to keep up with more of my day-to-day life over there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye!